Hello friends, last period we have discussed about how did tempo truck driver help to Baleshwar Mishra to admit to that the girl, that is a Roma Talreja, to that the hospital's name is Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center Ghansoli. Then here Baleshwar Mishra informed to her brother Dinesh Talreja about his sister's condition, and then here how did Dinesh Talreja reach to that the hospital. Everything we have discussed in the last period, and now here we are going to discuss about the next paragraph. Now we concentrate on paragraph number 15. Roma arrived at a Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center. Minutes later, Dr. Anil Agrawal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. Now here Roma arrived at a Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center Ghansoli. Tempo truck driver and Baleshwar Mishra admitted to that the girl to that the nearby hospital. Hospital's name is Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center in Ghansoli. And there, who was a doctor? Doctor's name was Dr. Anil Agrawal. Who was a Dr. Anil Agrawal? He was a medical director. He was a medical director there. There means where? To that the hospital. Seeing the extent of Roma's injury, he observed, he examined or checked her body, and then seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, she was totally injured. The blood was flowing from her head. And as quick as Dr. Anil Agrawal admitted Roma Talreja to the ICU without any paperwork or without any case paper. Without any case paper. He admitted, Dr. Anil Agrawal admitted to that the girl to that ICU. Now we concentrate on the meaning of ICU. What is the meaning of ICU? Intensive. I means intensive, C means care, U means unit. ICU, Ati Dakshata Vibhag. Intensive care unit. That is the ICU. He admitted, Dr. Anil Agrawal admitted to that the girl without any case paper. Why? Because he found that, Dr. Anil Agrawal found that her injury was a serious injury. And so that's why at last he admitted to that the ICU section. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. That's when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. Oh, I couldn't hang him, Baleshwar thought. He asked, Dr. Anil Agrawal asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. Already we know that he was a stranger person, he was an unknown person. Even he was unknown, he had to that the unknown person, that is Roma Talreja. Why? Because he had humanity, he had mercy, he had love, he had compassion, he had. And due to this, he saved her life. And then here Dr. Anil Agrawal asked Baleshwar to hang around. To hang around is a phrasal verb. What is the meaning of phrasal verb? Hang around means that is a wait. And Dr. Anil Agrawal asked Baleshwar to hang around means to wait until Roma's family arrived. म्हणजे रोमाची फॅमिली येईपर्यंत तुम्हाला इथं थांबावं लागेल अशी सूचना या अनिल अग्रवालनी या आपल्या बालेश्वरला दिलेली आहे. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. That's when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. And what happened? Without any intimation, our tempo truck driver slipped away, had gone without any intimation to our Baleshwar with his truck. He slipped away from the place without any intimation, without any information. He went away. Who? Tempo truck driver, middle-aged man, tempo truck driver who spoke Gujarati. That's when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. And after that, what was the reaction or what was the reply of Baleshwar was very important. What was the reply? Now we are going to see. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Oh, I couldn't thank him. This line is very important for RC. Reference to context. Reference to context. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Who said whom? Baleshwar Mishra said to himself, maybe. Himself. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Why he said like that? The word I is a refer to whom? The word him is a refer to whom? And then here such the questions come in your examination. Under the section that is RC, reference to context, Sandarbha Spastikaran. This line is very important. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Baleshwar thought, why he said like that? Already he know that. Already he knew that. Yes, he helped Baleshwar Mishra to reach to that hospital, nearby hospital. So that's why he said that. Roma was still unconscious, but her X-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wound sutures. There would be no lasting damage. But Dr. Anil Agrawal believes she could have bled to death. Nobody helped her. When she finally opened her eyes that night, her brother and fiance were by her side. She could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. Roma was still unconscious. Now she was senseless. ती अजूनही बेशुद्ध अवस्थेत आहे. Now here the Roma Talreja was still unconscious, still senseless, but her X-ray showed that although injuries looked severe, Dr. Anil Agrawal had taken X-rays and he noticed that his wound was very serious, very severe. Severe means serious. Her wound was very serious, critical, and here she needed, that is the wound sutures. Sutures means आपण टाके घालणे म्हणतो ना, कारण ती जखम जी आहे ती खोलवर आहे आणि त्या जखमेवरती जे मेडिकल टाके घालायचे असतात ते घालणं गरजेचं आहे असं मत या डॉक्टर अनिल अग्रवालचं होतं. Yes, now all she needed were deep wound sutures. Suture means टाके घालणे. Deep, that is a suture. Already given here. Suture means, what is the meaning of suture in your glossary? Suture means a stitch that is used to the sew wound together. The meaning of means टाके घालणे. There would be no lasting damage. There would be no lasting damage, but Dr. Anil Agrawal believes that she could have bled to death. Nobody helped her. But the opinion of Dr. Anil Agrawal was like that. Suppose nobody went there, what will happen? Definitely she would die. Why? Because the blood was flowing from her head. And so here it was a very dangerous situation. And so here, but what happened? Baleshwar went there and saved her life. Here. So here, Dr. Anil Agrawal believes she could have the bled to death had nobody helped her. When she finally opened her eyes, that night, her brother and fiance, who was a fiance, that is a Vijay. Her brother, that is a Dinesh Talreja, and her fiance, that is a Vijay, were by her side. And the both, that is a her fiance and her brother, were by her side. And before that, she opened her eyes, she became a conscious state. She could barely speak, and she tried to speak. She was trying to speak, barely, just nodded, Manhalavne, just nodded, and again she fell asleep. Means her condition was a serious condition. And now here we see the next paragraph. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated. On his way, Baleshwar had even revisited the spot where Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings, because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. Not far from the spot, a railway employee assured the Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, and the next morning he came and he met to the girl Roma Talreja. Roma was partly sedated. Already here given what is the meaning of partly sedated, means here, which is mentioned in our glossary, half awake due to the drug. Half awake म्हणजे थोडी म्हणजे जागे आहे, म्हणजे बेशुद्ध अवस्था ही पूर्णपणे म्हणजे शुद्धी आलेली आहे तिला, ती आता बोलायचा प्रयत्न करते आहे, अशी अवस्था तिची आलेली आहे. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated, not fully, partly sedated. On his way, Baleshwar had revisited the spot where Roma had fallen. And again here what happened, on his way, Baleshwar had revisited to that spot. Revisited. Why he revisited to that spot? Because here Roma had fallen looking for her belonging, because of her belongings. Belonging means vastu. On his way असताना हा बालेश्वर परत त्या पुन्हा त्याच ठिकाणी जिथं हा ॲक्सिडेंट घडला होता त्याच ठिकाणी हा म्हणजे विजिट करतोय. का? कारण तिचं जे साहित्य होतं ते तिथंच पडलं होतं, मिसिंग. belongings were missing there, and so that's why he revisited to that the spot. Because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and the handbags were missing. And here the Dinesh Talreja informed to Baleshwar Mishra about that the missing things, missing belongings. What are the missing belongings? That is the first one, that is the cell phone, and second one is that is the handbag. Handbags and that is the cell phone had fallen there, missing there. And he informed, Dinesh Talreja informed to Baleshwar Mishra, and then here he revisited to the spot. They will ask one questions on it. So here, not far from the spot, a railway employee assured that Baleshwar, railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. And what happened? When Baleshwar went there, he inquired about that the missing thing to that is a railway employee, and railway employee assured to Baleshwar that railway employee had found that the two things. First one is that cell phone, and second one is that is a handbag. And they got, means रेल्वे एम्प्लॉई जे तो रेल्वे कर्मचारी होता त्याला त्या दोन गोष्टी सापडलेल्या होत्या आणि त्या संदर्भातली माहिती त्या रेल्वे एम्प्लॉईनं या बालेश्वरला दिलेली आहे किंवा दिलेली होती. हाऊ आर यू फिलिंग? Baleshwar asked Roma. I'm okay, Roma whispered. And then Baleshwar asked one question to the Roma Talreja. How are you feeling? How are you? She said that I'm okay, no problem. I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm well, no problem. She said that. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar hadn't been there. She says, amazed to learn of the manner in which she had been rescued. After a few days, what happened? Roma made a full recovery. Okay, she was recovered from the injuries. And then she said, Roma Talreja said, I can't imagine what would happen if Baleshwar hadn't been there. I can't be imagine. मी imagine करू शकत नाही जर बालेश्वर नसता तर what will happen? Maybe she would die. According to Dr. Anil Agrawal, he also told that when he had taken such an X-ray, he found that the wound was a very serious or deep wound, and so yes, such the questions. He told of such information, Anil Agrawal told to that the Baleshwar. And now here she said that I can't imagine what would happen if Baleshwar hadn't been there. What will happen? Maybe she would die. Definitely she would die. And so here she says, I am amazed to learn the manners in which she had been rescued. And it was the manners of Baleshwar, how he helped that Roma Talreja. He had good qualities. He had beard good qualities. He acquired good qualities. Love, compassion, helping nature, everything he acquired. Now we see the next. I think it's astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me. I can never repay Baleshwar. Who said whom? This line is also very important for RC, reference to context. Who said whom? That is Roma Talreja said to that is Baleshwar. I think it's astonishing. Astonishing means surprising. Surprise, आश्चर्यचकित करणे. I think it is astonishing that stranger would jump off a train. One stranger helped another stranger. Who is the stranger? That is a Baleshwar Mishra, as well as Roma Talreja, to each other. Both were a stranger to each other. They were both were unknown to each other. And so here, I think it's astonishing that stranger would jump off the train and risk his life for me. And he risked his life for him, that is our Roma Talreja. Why? Because he jumped off from that moving train. And there was a paining in his ankle. Already we have discussed in the last period, and so that's why. I can never repay Baleshwar. And मी कधीच परतफेड बालेश्वरची करू शकणार नाही. And so here, I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that people here are afraid, says Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. They fear getting trapped in the courts or with the police. I am new to Mumbai. He said that, Baleshwar Mishra said that I am new to Mumbai. Why? Because already we know that he was searching for his job. He was unemployed, high school dropout, and so that's why he was facing so many problems in Mumbai. And he was new in Mumbai, stranger to Mumbai. So here, I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that he wanted to. He was highlighted one point. Baleshwar highlighted one point is that I have noticed that people are here that is afraid. People in Mumbai, they were afraid says the Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. Now he was looking for a job now also. They fear getting trapped in the courts or with the police. They means who? People in Mumbai. People in Mumbai, yes, according to Baleshwar, they were afraid. People were afraid. People in Mumbai were afraid. They were feared getting trapped in the courts or with the police. And so that's why, due to this, nobody helped her. Nobody helped her. Or others. Nobody helped her to the others. Even the Roma Talreja already we know that. He told, just let's go and help her. Baleshwar Mishra told to the other passenger in his train, but nobody helped, nobody volunteered. Why? Because they were getting a trap in the court or in the police, and due to them it was a technical problem, and due to this technical problem nobody helped to Baleshwar Mishra, nobody helped to the others like Roma Talreja. Already we know that. And he noticed one thing, that he was highlighted, Baleshwar was highlighted on that the point. They were afraid due to the trapping in the court or with the court police. Why did he do it? She needed help. Baleshwar puts it simply, that's the day it was a Roma. This line is very important. Baleshwar quoted one line. That day it was a Roma. That day what had happened? Already we know that. She had fallen. She was lying beside the track on 10th December 2010 on Friday. Already we know that. That day it was a Roma. Tomorrow it would be you or me. त्या दिवशी रोमाच्या बाबतीत हे घडलं, पण भविष्यात ते तुमच्याही बाबतीत घडेल किंवा माझ्याही बाबतीत घडू शकेल. And at that time nobody helped her, or nobody helped the others. And so here, tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks, bleeding and alone. Which it was horrible. You should, as a reader, you should think on that the point. You should remove the technical point. Suppose we'll remove such a technical point or the legal procedure, definitely person help to the other. Person helps to the others. Other person, definitely. And due to this technical problem, nobody helped to the others. And so here this is a very important, and he was highlighted, Baleshwar Mishra was highlighted to this the point. And so here it is our lesson. Now we concentrate on the questions answer. Check your understanding. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Who said who? Baleshwar Mishra said to himself, oh, I couldn't thank him, Baleshwar thought. Why do you think he couldn't thank? Because already we know that tempo truck driver, at first he requested so many motorists, but nobody stopped his motor. But the one person came forward. He saw such a situation, critical situation of Roma Talreja, and at last one tempo truck driver who spoke Gujarati, middle-aged man, stopped his truck and he helped to Baleshwar to reach to that nearby hospital. So here, and so that's why, but here without any intimation he went away, and so here he said like that, oh, I couldn't thank him. It is the answer. Now we turn to the question number 2. Question number 2. Why did Baleshwar revisit the spot where Roma had fallen? Already we know why he was revisited. Because both thing or two things of Roma Talreja were missing there. The first thing, that is a handbag, and second thing is the cell phone of Roma Talreja. And so that's why Baleshwar Mishra revisited to that the spot. It is the answer of that the second question. Now we turn to the question number 3. Baleshwar got some assurance from a railway employee. What was that? Baleshwar got some assurance from a railway employee. What was that? About that the missing things or belongings. First one is that cell phone, and second one is that is a handbag. Now we turn to the question number 4. Roma said, I think it is astonishing. What was astonishing? Roma said, I think it is astonishing. What was astonishing? Already, which is mentioned in a paragraph number, that is a 20. I think it is astonishing that a stranger would help. A stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me. It's very important. And now already we know that what was the astonishing thing, because here Baleshwar Mishra jumped from that the moving train. It was a risk thing. It was a risky, and so that's why it was an astonishing thing. He saved her life and everything. We know that already. We have discussed so many the passages, how the girl, how did Baleshwar help Roma Talreja. Already we have discussed. Thank you very much.